How to Savelock money on your PiggyVest. Once you are logged into your account, click on the service icon that you see below your screen. Once you are there, select the Savelock option. Click on the plus icon. Click on your Savelock option, the number of days that you want to lock your money for. Or if you already have Savelock created, choose from the ones that you want to top up, which is what I'm going to be doing in this video. So click on this button that says top up Savelock. Now you are required to enter the amount that you want to top up. Please note that the amount of money that you are Savelocking and the duration of time that you selected in case you are creating a fresh Savelock, or even if you have created a Savelock, the duration of time that you selected and the amount of money that you are putting in your Savelock will determine how much interest that you are going to receive. The higher the days you select and the higher the amount of money that you are Savelocking will determine how high or how low your interest is going to be. Now this is my own. I am locking my money within 30 days range, and it's already less than 30 days. So that is why you are seeing this amount of money upfront interest on my screen. So the reason I selected that particular Savelock option is because I'm going to make use of the money after the end of 30 days. So that is why I used that option, so that once the money is released, once I lock it and the money is released, I'll be able to make use of it. And I'm also locking it because I don't want to be able to spend it for any reason, because I have a particular project that I want to make use of that money for. That is the reason why I'm saving it in within that 30 days range. So let's say you don't want to make use of your money within, let's say you want to lock your money for 1 year. Just select the 1 year option. And then after 1 year, your money will be released for you. You can now send it to your bank account. So that is how it works. And the higher you save, the higher money you save, and the higher duration you select will determine how much interest you are going to receive. That is how high your interest is going to be. Now that you've entered the amount, click top up Savelock. Then enter your password or your fingerprint, as the case may be. Once you are done, you will see that the amount is supposed to reflect. As you can see, mine has reflected. If it doesn't reflect, you have to refresh and check again. Then your instant interest will be sent to your Flex wallet. So go and check if your interest has been sent to your Flex wallet. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment if you have any questions. Bye.